First on the list is a regular ice crusher. It's pretty simple to use. Fill it up with 1 scoop of regular ice and start turning this steel handle. Kinda loud, but does job really well. It's all made from plastic, but actually I've been using it for a few years and I had no problem with it. It's also not the fastest way, but produces really consistent crushed ice. I'm using this type of ice when making cocktails such as mojito or caipirinha and any other where I'm modeling fresh fruits. Also in all my tiki cocktails, and of course in all the cocktails whenever I'm using swizzling method. Oh yeah, and you need to make quite a lot of it. This portable machine is not the only way to make crushed ice though. You also can try mullet and ice bag. This is how it works. Put inside a couple scoops of ice and start smashing it on top of the table or any flat surface. The reason I have both is because, let's say, ice crusher always produce consistent ice, and using this method I actually can control how small or big pieces I can make. The only thing that I don't like about using it that it's actually even louder than ice crusher, and also you need to put some effort to make just a couple cups of crushed ice. But on the good side, if anything could happen over time with portable crusher, these two things will last forever. And since most of you have citrus squeezer, what you can do, take this small crushed ice, put it inside, squeeze it like it's a lemon or lime, and start making incredibly beautiful cocktails where you combine fire and ice. If this is too extreme for you and you don't want to try, that's okay. You also can use this ice bowl as part of the garnish for cocktails. You just simply put different berries or flowers inside and it looks pretty cool. Well, hope all clear so far, but if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. If you guys watching this channel for a while, you know that for clear ice cubes, I use True Cubes tray. So far it's the best way I found to make clear ice cubes at home. And when I need large ice block, I freeze it in a small ice cooler. This is my favorite type of ice since I cut it on all kind of small pieces and make variety of cocktails with it. And to do so, you need sharp ice chipper like this one. I usually place ice block on cutting board or towel so it wouldn't slide easy, and start cutting it depend on what type of ice you need. Personally, I like to cut them in large cubes, and let me show to you what you can do with them. To make further adjustments in this ice piece, you need to have a large sharp knife. It's up to you, you can hold ice with towel, but for safety and convenience, I would recommend to use gloves. Then you start shaving slowly on each side, and with little patience and practice you'll be able to turn cubes into ice sphere, or if you can't afford real diamond for your girlfriend, you can just make her this one. Well, it's definitely a really cool way to serve premium spirits. For example, I poured this one to my dad during Father's Day and he felt really special. Next, let me introduce you to Japanese ice press. Well, this is fastest and easiest way to turn ice cubes into spheres. The way it works, it uses gravity and thermal conductivity of aluminum to shape ice cube into sphere, and some of them can shape it into perfect diamond. Let me show you how it works from beginning. You take clear ice cube, place it right in the middle, put second part on top and wait. Usually it's a pretty quick process, so our ice sphere ready, let's check it out. It always comes out smooth without any imperfections and just ready to go. It's a great tool for ice, no doubt, but for some reason it costs $1 trillion, so if you can't afford it, just grab a knife, ice chipper and start practicing how to make a sphere. Next is not the most popular tool you keep at your bar, it's actually a drill bit. In just a few seconds you can turn ice cube into shot glass and no skill required. It totally can replace regular shot glass and it feels more natural and cool when you use it in a cocktail such as Jägerbaum. Well, but if you're too cool for school and prefer to keep drilling in a garage, not in an area where you're making cocktails, you can make different shot glasses from ice using these ice molds. And they could help you to stand out during different occasions, such as Valentine's Day. Well, I'm not going to wait until Valentine's Day. This type of ice molds we also use to make spheres, and coolest part about them that you fill it up with water, put it in the freezer for 2 hours, then put it upside down and hold it there for another hour. You needed to make sure that it's not frozen completely, then take out all the water from the inside, and now it's our specialty glass where we can serve all kind of cocktails. And slowly roll into ice stems. This is actually an inexpensive tool that can significantly enhance your cocktail presentation. I chose love and heart symbol to show how much I love you guys for liking this video. Works pretty similar to ice press. All you need to do, just push it down and hold it steady for a few seconds. You also can order custom ice stamp with your name or name of your company, but obviously they are more expensive.